morning. So, mag-workout tayo ng back. So, tatlong exercise sa back. So, this is Coach Marchki. So, ang workout natin is barbell bent over row. So, first set. Then, 12 reps, 3 sets. So, bend on your knee, then proper chest out. Use your hands. So, ang target muscle niya is sa may pinaka upper thickness sa may dito sa may lats. Yan, dito. So, sunod na workout natin is yung lat pull down. So, make sure lang na yung proper execution ng lat pull down is tama yung point. So, ito yung sunod na. Ito yung lat pull down. Nakita ko sa inyo yung proper form ng lat pull down. Kailangan naka-white siya. Naka-white. Then, yung quads. Tapos, 12 reps, then 3 sets. So, ang target muscle niya is sa may lats, sa may latissimus dorsi, then sa may bicep. So, may target muscle din sa may bicep. So, next workout is yung seated cable row. So, ang main purpose naman nitong seated cable row, ang target muscle nito is sa may lats, then sa may bicep. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung workout paano gawin. So, 3 set and 12 reps. Yan guys. So dapat proper execution yung form. So proper yung execution niya para makaiwas tayo sa avoid to injury sa may pinaka ating back. So yun lang yung workout natin sa back exercise. So thank you guys.